Hey, A gang. I'm still trying to make that fit. But anyway, this is a video of me installing a full lace wig. Now, this is as detailed as I'm going to get with installing a wig. I am going to soon have classes for people to take, so you'll get more detail when I give those classes. But this should be good enough for the meanwhile. You want to start off by laying your cap down, the edges of your cap down. You do not want anything lifting. I added 3 layers of glue around her edge. Sometimes I add 4 depending, but I just added glue for her. 3 for her, sorry. And then you want to make sure you smooth that out. Like, you do not want anything looking bumpy. Make sure you smooth it. Now, this is the part you got to be very careful with. You do not need to rush. When you laying down lace, never rush. You take your time and make sure that everything is lined up properly. I lined it up before I even put the glue down, so you can go ahead and do that and then line it up after. But what I'm going to do now is just make sure that the lace is laying very tightly in the glue. And then I'm going to use a comb to lightly press the lace in the glue. That's how you get the seamless look. ponytail. Now with a full lace wig, you can decide to have a high ponytail or a low ponytail, or 2 pigtails, whatever you decide you want to do. But with her, we're gonna do a low ponytail. It was her birthday, so you know I had to fleek it. I'm just putting a little bit of what is that actually called? Wax, beeswax on my hands. Sorry, I'm putting a little bit of beeswax on my hands, and I'm just slicking her hair back. The beeswax won't lift up the lace, that's why I use it. And then I use a little bit of mousse too. You don't want to use too much because remember the glue is still dry. It's not going to fully dry until after maybe 24 to 48 hours depending on the person. But yeah, when you use beeswax, and slick her ponytail down. Don't be scared to get up in it. Your client is there for you to fleek her hair. Stop being scared to touch your client. Get up in it, fleek it, and do your thing. Have confidence all the time when you're doing hair. That's how you're going to get the best results. Now it was a lot going on, so my hand was moving all over the place, but you'll see in the next clip the finished results more clearly. Yeah, it came out so nice on her. Like, it looked extremely natural, like her actual scalp. Like, you could not find the lace nowhere, like nowhere. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask me. Everything will be in the description box below. I'm gonna make sure that I be as detailed as possible, but you can link me. You can link me also. You can book me, and I'll have the link in my bio. So check my description because I have everything down in my description box.